So, Dan, how do you feel after we just massacred Daryl's team?
I would have called it a massacre more than like a mass killing.
If it wasn't for that tree, I would have smoked Daryl so bad.
Oh!
And the funny thing was that I was giving Daryl pointers the entire time, and he still lost.
So true. I mean, Daryl's technique was this all whacked. It was so out of whack. He just couldn't throw it. It was so whack.
Like, who throws like this? Like, maybe if you're like back in the 70s when you're doing the robot, but come on.
Hey, Charles, show him how you actually throw a frisbee.
You go like this, Daryl. Like you're pointing in that direction, not going, karate chop.
Yeah.
What do you think about this monkey man?